Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Innovative Tech YouTube channel. And today we are actually going to make a video on MIUI update 10.8.7.3 on Redmi Note 4. You heard it correctly. It is MIUI 10.8.7.3 global on Redmi Note 4. So let's get started. So before making this video, my friends, I would like to tell you that MIUI 10 Global has been updated for a lot of devices, but our Redmi Note 4, the global beta hasn't come. It has only come for as a closed beta, closed global beta. So we have got this update. There is another video for where I had shown how to update this on your Redmi Note 4. You can find the same video on my links in the descriptions. You can go through it and you can just download the package and you can install it. You can actually use TWRP for the device installation of this ROM, and you can actually download the ROM and you can install via TWRP recovery. You have to also use the lazy flasher, which is actually required for the flashing of the device. So let's get started and see what is there inside this ROM. And this is the initial global beta, so it will have a limited functions, but yeah, it will have the MIUI 10 built-in features. So let's see what is there. So as you can see, this is a MIUI 10 8.7.3 nightly update, and this comes every Tuesday. It is only for those people who are actually into the closed beta, so they get this update, and every Tuesday this update comes. So let's check for the update and see if any other update is there or not. So as you can see, this is the latest update. So let's get back to the UI and see the differences. So as you can see, the notification drawer is got a difference, and the MIUI feature in the notification has come. So you can it is very smooth, and it is very nice and looking. And this is the brightness control, which works flawlessly and smoothly. Other functions you can actually edit from here, and you can add these functions, you can see. But anyways, car mode is not still not included, which I have seen in the China ROM. Car mode was included here, car mode is not included. So we'll see in the next update if it is coming or not. So notification is really good design, and you can see this messaging notification is also coming. So you can actually open the messages and see. It's very good to see this. The second feature which I saw, which I found for this MIUI 10 on Redmi Note 4 is the volume. So the volume has got the difference. As you can see, the volume is redesigned, and when you press the volume, I'm making this video with my another mobile, so you may face some issues on this, but yeah, you can see the difference. The volume is designed here. You have the silent mode and the DND. So volume is very good designed, and you have the three icons here. You have the three icons here. So the three icons will adjust accordingly. You can adjust the volume, you can adjust the ringtone, and then the alarm. So this is very nice, and obviously the sound, you know guys, the nature sounds have been included, so that's very good. So this is the second feature. Third feature which I saw was the recent tabs. So as you can see, the recent tabs is coming, and they can be slided like this, they can be closed like this. Even you can actually go to this split mode on this by pressing this one, and then you have to click on this, so it goes into the split mode, and this is very good actually. So it works flawlessly. So this is the third thing which I saw. Another thing which I saw was when you slide this to your left, you can see the card section. So that card section is actually redesigned, and it's very good. So it looks nice. I'll turn off the Wi-Fi for a while. So this is very cool. Now when you lock the screen, you can see it's locked. You get another section here. Okay, it gets another section here. So when you slide your screen in the lock mode, you have to be very careful to slide this. You get the MI home, MI remote, MI play and transport card wallpaper carousel in this section, and even the torch is also there. So this is very new thing which I can see in this MIUI 10 update. So let's go to the settings and see rest of the things. What do we have? So first, what you will notice is the setting on the top. So I'll go to the about phone and I'll let you see what is the difference. So as you can see, system update, it's the same thing where I had taken you. Okay, so Wi-Fi is not connected, I will cancel it. So device name, and you can see this is Redmi Note 4 and it is still running on Nougat, so there is no Oreo for this. So this update doesn't has Oreo, but in the next update I am thinking that it will come to Oreo. Another is Android security patch level. You can see it's June, so it's latest only MIUI version, MIUI 10 Global Beta, that is 8.7.3, and rest of the things you can see. No changes on the Wi-Fi settings, no changes on the SIM card and management settings. It's all the same like MIUI 9. 4G and 3G it will come like this rather than LTE notification. First I saw this, I thought that it is some problem that it is not coming or like something which is a bug or something, but yeah, they have actually removed that LTE and they'll show it as an 4G. So that's the in the notification section, status section, that's another change. Rest no changes on these sections. We have some changes in the additional settings, so I'll take you directly to there. So as you can see in the additional settings, button and gestures shortcuts are there, and here this button and gesture shortcuts have got some new things: close current app, open exclusively, launch recents, and navigation buttons, and even for menu. So these gestures are working for some of the things, but yeah, it's not working like the sliding from the side, it's not working for that, and with 3 fingers and all. So it will be redesigned in the another update, so we'll see that. Nothing else changes on this side, it's all the same here. So this update doesn't have any changes on that side. So we'll see another things. So system apps updater, it's the same. System apps, it's same. Dual apps is same. Sync my account, and then rest of the things, everything, second space is same. So MIUI labs is still not there, so we are expecting in the next update. So let's get back to the weather app, which is redesigned. As you can see, this weather app is redesigned, and it's totally redesigned. It looks very pretty and very good. You can see the details very nicely and pretty good. This is actually redesigned and it looks good. The clock is also redesigned, and I guess the calculator is also redesigned. So I'll go to the clock section. So you can see the clock is redesigned and it looks pretty good. It has a stopwatch, timer. So these two updates have already come. So let's get back and to see the calculator. So the calculator remains the same and it's not redesigned, but it has got some additional functions, that is converter and mod gauge. So this is a new design and it looks pretty good. This is not in MIUI 9. And the change for India for this global beta is one more thing which I will like to show you. So in MI Music you can see Hangama is there, and this time you can actually see that a new change has come where videos are included. So this is pretty good, and it's very natural to see this. I will not play to get into the copyright issues. So you can see, so trending music videos. So this is a good update, and this has got into the MIUI this update 8.7.3. Similar for MI video also I have I know, but so yeah, that update is also there, sorry. So you can see the online content has come, I mean MI video also. So this is a pretty good update. So mi music and mi video has online updates, has online contents which are regularly updated on this ROM. So this ROM do supports that. So fairly speaking, this ROM has got some few updates of MIUI 10, but not all. Uh, so I was disappointed to see the camera app. So this camera app doesn't got the portrait or the bokeh mode. So still it is the old camera app and it has not got any update. So pretty much disappointed on this side. But in the next update, I'm thinking that it should come. So we'll hope so. In the next update it comes, and rest of all the features remain same. Nature sounds actually good. Recent tabs is good. Volume rockers redesigning is good. Notification is redesigning is good. Clock redesigning is pretty much fairly good, and even the weather app is also good. So these all features are actually pretty much good. We'll be hoping the next update on the next Tuesday. I'll be making another video for that. Till then, please subscribe our channel and keep watching, sharing, and liking our videos. Till then, it is Vivek signing off from Innovative Tech YouTube channel. Bye.